Hi my friends, welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about some exciting news about AWeber. I do want you to stick with me to the end because I do have an exciting money-making bonus that I want to share with you as well. Before we get started, just a reminder that this channel is about making money online as an affiliate, and it's also about helping you to grow your YouTube channel. If either of those are of interest to you, be sure to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on these videos. One of the reasons for this video is that it's 100% free. It's not a free trial. It started about 10 days ago. Now, I just learned about it just a few days ago, and so I went ahead and kind of have taken it for a test drive, kind of tried it out myself, and I want to share with you what I've found, what I've discovered. You'll find a link below. For those of you who may not be familiar with AWeber is an email, it's an autoresponder service. It's a sequential email, automated email system software. The automated email software allows you or I to send scheduled emails to our subscribers, and AWeber provides this service, and it is an online autoresponder service. And the advantage of that is, of course, there's no download, there's no installation, there's no setup. You simply join for free and log in, and there you are. First of all, it is free. It really is free. It's 100% free. There are no strings attached, no credit card required. On the other hand, there is a limit of 500 subscribers. On the free version, you're allowed up to 500 subscribers. And upgrades can get expensive. As you can see, upgrades are a bit expensive. And there's also a limit of 3,000 emails per month. And one profile. Being limited to one profile means that if you have more than one campaign, you would probably want to keep them related relative as far as the niche. You would want to have internet marketing and weight loss, for example. You might have internet marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and so on. You want to kind of keep them related. In addition, free version does not include split testing. Does not include behavioral automation, which is like targeted marketing, if you're familiar with that. And that's a whole nother video. But it's kind of like when you go and you search for something, and then everywhere you go, you're going to see those ads. And the free version will have AWeber branding. Free version does include basic reporting. It includes e-commerce. It includes integration and 24/7 support. For your information, I believe that all the integrations are excellent, but I believe they are all single opt-in. Best of my knowledge, they're all single opt-in, not double opt-in. So in other words, you need to let your subscribers know that. Now, my main concern was that the free version was going to be lacking in a sense. And the good news is it is not lacking in any way whatsoever. Of course, yes, you have some limits and so on, but as far as the user-friendliness, for one thing, and as far as all the things that are available, it is just fantastic. It's always been, in my opinion, one of the most user-friendly autoresponders to start with, and the free version is, they haven't skimped. Creating emails, setting up campaigns, landing pages, and so on, literally are drag and drop easy. There is one tip that I'd like to share with you, however, especially if you're new to autoresponders, and that is if you will click on the help point. Once you log in and so on your dashboard, click on help, and then scroll down to AWeber Academy. Click on that and watch the videos. There'll be 7 videos, and they'll pretty much tell you in just a matter of minutes. They're going to turn you from a novice into a pro. Now let's get to my bonus, and my bonus is that I want to share with you how you can make money on this. At the bottom of the AWeber Academy page, go all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see customer referral program. Click on that, and that will allow you to become an affiliate if you choose to do so. As an AWeber affiliate or an AWeber advocate, you're going to make 30% on anyone that upgrades. So you can give this away, and then anybody that upgrades, you're going to make 30%, and that's 30% month after month after month after month. As long as they stay with the program, you're going to continue to make money, whether that's months or years. So it's an excellent residual income opportunity. One other important thing is that the cookie is a 365-day cookie. That's very fair and equitable in my opinion, because when you've got a whole year, if somebody's going to upgrade, there's a pretty good chance that they're going to upgrade within that first year. So to give you an idea what that means, since the $19 a month package is now free, the first upgrade is $29. 30% of that is $8.70 per month. That's over $100. 12 times 9, yeah. It's over $100 per year per referral in residual income. One other thing that I want to share is that, just for your information, part of my standard research on anything that I share, whether it's as an affiliate marketer on YouTube, whatever, if I'm going to share something with you, I have some standard research that I go through, and I typically research for scams, complaints, and things like that. And here's what I discovered. AWeber is 5-star, 100. It's 5-star all the way. There are, however, 7 complaints. Over 22 years, there are 7 complaints, all answered with the Better Business Bureau, which actually is super surprisingly low. So this is something that you may want to consider giving away and sharing with people, because it is certainly a quality product. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now and hit that like button. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.